Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Tinder and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder. And then here if you find updates, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your